Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Golf wing mirror. First, gather your essential tools, such as a trim removal tool and a Torx screwdriver. Position the mirror glass to its innermost setting for easier access. Remember to apply painter's tape around the mirror base to protect your car's paintwork from any accidental scratches during the removal process. Preparation is key for a smooth job. Next, you'll carefully pry the mirror glass from its housing using your trim removal tool. Work slowly and gently around the edges to release the clips. Once the glass is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for heating or indicators, by gently pulling them off. Store the mirror glass in a safe, padded place to prevent any damage. Now, focus on disassembling the mirror housing itself. You'll typically find one or two screws, often Torx, holding the housing together. Remove these screws carefully. Then, gently separate the outer and inner housing components, paying close attention to any internal clips that might be holding them. Understanding their position will make reassembly much simpler later on. Take your time with this step. Finally, you'll disconnect any remaining wiring harnesses that connect the mirror assembly to the car's electrical system. These are usually secured with a clip or two. After that, locate and unbolt the entire mirror assembly from the door frame. This typically involves 2 or 3 bolts hidden behind an interior trim panel. Once these are removed, the mirror should come completely free. For those who love to read on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.